Hey everyone, this is Brooke, better known as the Vintage Gardener. To all you new subscribers, welcome to my channel. For all the old hands, welcome back. So most of you don't know me in real life, and that's a very surprising fact to me because I just realized that the amount of family and friends is less than half of my actual followers. But for those of you who know me in real life, you guys know that I like to cook and I like to bake. And so, when you're growing stuff out in the garden, especially if you got a vegetable garden, I, I know sometimes you're kind of wondering, what do I do with all this produce? So I'm going to show you a recipe. This is the first time I'm trying it, but it looks pretty good. And it'll help you use peppers if you have them and onions if you have them. Unfortunately, here in southern New Jersey, we've been getting a ridiculous amount of rain. My pepper plants have not set. My onion plants, I see a few little onions. I don't know. A lot of my plants are suffering because of the amount of water that we've been having. But if you don't have that issue, then here's a good recipe for it. As you know, New Jersey, especially southern Jersey where I live, which is in Burlington County, is probably about 30 minutes away from Philly. And so if it's one thing Philly is known for, it's cheesesteak. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Philadelphia cheesesteak pasta recipe done in the InstaPot. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's what you're going to need for this recipe. You're going to need a pound of ground beef, and I have my ground beef in the refrigerator waiting. You're going to need a medium onion, a pepper. The recipe called for green. I'm going to use red because red peppers, as you know, what's ripe, they have more nutrients in it than the green, which are underdeveloped. You're going to need some minced garlic. I just bought a container from Wegmans. You're going to need some beef broth. I use bone broth by Zoop. You're going to need some sort of pasta. I decided to go with whole egg noodles. You're going to need, some tomato ketchup. You're going to need some Worcester sauce. I probably slaughtered that pronunciation. And I'm going to use some pepper flakes because I want it to be a little bit spicy. So before I actually start cooking, I always chop up my ingredients first. It makes everything go a lot more smoothly. And so right now I'm going to cut the onion. Okay guys, so here is the InstaPot. I don't even know if you can read the display. Oh, a little bit you can. Let me zoom in on the display label for a little bit. Okay, so according to the recipe, I need to put it on the saute function. And so I'm gonna saute. I have to adjust the time. Right now I'm just gonna go with 10 minutes because I think I can get everything done before then. So I'm going to wait till that heats up a little bit. So you're gonna do this entire thing on, let's see, 5 minutes. And we're gonna do this on high pressure for 5 minutes, and then we'll do what's called a quick release. Okay, pressure cook. We're gonna do that, say, 5 minutes. Pressure. Okay guys, I'm back. I just realized my cameras only will record in like 15-minute intervals or something like that. So I didn't realize it turned off. But I put you know what? I don't think I did this right. Hang on. Cancel. Okay, so we're gonna go pressure cook, 5 minutes, pressure high. Okay, and then with venting, we're gonna do quick release. We hit start. Okay, there we go.
It's not hard to cover it with sand.
Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. So the next cooking video, I guess I should say, will be blueberry barbecue sauce, because as you know, July is blueberry season, and so you probably had blueberry pie to death or whatnot, but here's blueberry barbecue sauce is really good. The recipe is from Chef Vivian Howard, who is the owner of The Chef and the Farmer. So we're gonna do that. And then the week after that, we'll be using the blueberry barbecue sauce in a pizza recipe. So stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye.